Hello, DPC fellow. You're welcome to another series of 100 to $1 million. This is step 3. And in today's video, I'll be sharing you exciting news. Not so exciting per se, because this month the strategy has been done for about 20%, and overall, right, it's still up about 280%, which is good news. And of course, I'll be showing you backtest result of over 5 years, and which gave me confidence that this challenge is possible and we are doing it. And also, I'll update you on the my Facebook account for you to see the stock that is right? And in this video, towards the ending, I'll also show you the EA in operation on my VPS. Let's quickly go over to the backtest, and I'll show you the backtest result. So it's Japanese yen, USD Japanese yen, and from 2021 January to 2025 December, and the tick is every tick, right? Just it doesn't really matter, right? I've tested both retakes and doesn't really change the result. The most important thing is that the result reflects what the historical data is, right? So that's why I'm super confident, right, that we are doing it. So yeah, this is gonna take a bit of time, but I hope to fast forward this. So this is a graph of the strategy in operation. As you can see, it's up, 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 and up. And yeah, let's just wait till it finishes and you'll be seeing the result, which is pretty exciting. And I'll make a comment about the result. I'm pretty happy with the development and the improvement I've made, and it's a continuous work in progress. But like the result I will show you in my Facebook, it has already more than a year history, which is pretty good, right? All good, as you can see, just like we're having like a 20% drawdown. You can see from the graph, right? Historically, they have been drawdown, and the EA manages to recover, creates all-time high, goes to a drawdown, creates all-time high, goes to a drawdown, creates all-time high, goes to a drawdown, and it's a roller coaster. That is why it's a series that I'm hoping will be hitting the target in like 3 years. So it's not a get rich quick, but it's a get rich, right, on a steady basis, if you know what I mean. So I'm excited. The backtest will be over soon, and of course I will review the result after it completes. Just a note, sometime in 2014 there was a deep pullback, right? A deep pullback, and the EA manages to recover. That's when psychology comes in, right? If you know what you're looking for and you believe in yourself and in your strategy, to just let it be, let it play out on its own, right? Without intervention, right? Sometimes it's necessary for you to intervene, but if it's not necessary, then no need to intervene. By the way, if you're new, like and subscribe. If you're returning, please comment, leave a comment, share with your friends and family. We're building a team of DPC. DPC simply means direction, pullback, and continuation. That is like my swing trading strategy, right, that I've been using to trade. I'll be sharing videos of the strategy sometime soon on this channel, so you better subscribe and yeah, be a part of this amazing journey. Okay, yeah, we're in 2025, started printing over $40 million net. Of course, that is not gross, just not net, right? Gross net. Come on, Clinton, you're a business analyst. You should know what. Yeah, I do. Gross net, right? You subtract your expenses and the cost of doing business from your gross, then you arrive at the net. Okay. All right, this is exciting. Just so you know, historical data is not a yardstick that the future performance will be similar. It's just like a roadmap. In fact, it's always guaranteed you will lose money if you're in this business, so you should take everything with a grain of salt. Okay, sound good. So where are we at? We're almost at the ending of this. Yeah, it's better. I also have my band here running. I'm running in profit. I'm still testing the band's range here. It's not completed yet, but I'm working on it. But it's currently running on an account, so which is good. Right, so what do we have here? It's almost done. Almost done, guys. Be patient. Okay. So what do we have? Yeah, now we have the statistics. So, well, like I said, take everything with a grain of salt, right? But you can see the strategy return over $1 million. We're just targeting $1 million, but this return over $100 million, right? Huge, right? It returned over $100 million in 5 years. So our $1 million target is achievable in less time if possible. No guarantee. Like I said, you cannot absolutely rely on like historical data, if you know what I mean, right? Like you cannot totally rely on historical data, if you know what I mean, right? So yeah, so as you can see, I don't know what else to say to convince you to be part of this journey, right? So that is that. Yeah, this is the 100 to a million my first book, and like I mentioned, we're up absolute 260, not 280. Oh man, we're still up. Up is up, right? Up is up, and as you can see today we should have some profit today, right? This week so far we have slight up profit, 1.76%, but this month has been really brutal. We are down 21%, which is not good. This year so far we're up about 6%, and I've shown before, like, this is an open trade. It's closed already, by the way, but it's an open trade, right? Then my Facebook is just taking time to update. Like I mentioned, we have historical data from 2014 2025, which was pretty exciting, and of course this year started really well, but February is just messing up things. That is all good. So we'll come back to this again, and hopefully we have, like, maybe this is the lowest dip for now. We have another high, very possible, and I believe it's gonna happen. So so this is the strategy running on my VPS, right? Come on, you gotta move. I need you to move. Nice. Okay, so yeah, we have a huge loss here, another huge loss. Then today closed A little bit of profit, not much. Yeah. Considering that is a small account, right? I have the strategy running on other accounts, right? But this is what I want to share with the public, if you know what I mean, right? So yeah, we managed to close just yeah, very little profit. February has been really bad for this, but it's all good. Hopefully March will be printing good result for us. And by the way, February is not over yet. In the next 2 days we can print over 20%. Yeah, it's possible, right? Yeah. So thank you so much. So thank you so much, guys. That is it from me today. Like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, the best time for you to use this strategy is from 6, right? 6 a.m. to 10 a.m., right? Then you set your up break down break, right? If it breaks to the upside, breaks to the downside. I trade both, and it's a small account, so it's pretty aggressive. You trade very huge percentage per trade. Well, I will share more details on this. If you want to see more details, like and subscribe, and yeah, turn on the notification, and when I bring in another video, you'll be the first to be notified. Be the first to be notified. See you guys again. Bye for now.